children to the Wise Grandpa YouTube channel. Now we are going to learn the numbers with blocks, and we're going to use our fingers as numbers. Let's do this. Looking for 0. 0. Looking for 1. Number 1. Looking for 2. Number 2. Looking for 3. Number 3. Looking for 4. Number 4. Looking for 5. Number 5. Looking for 6. Number 6. Looking for 7. Number 7. Looking for 8. Number 8. Looking for 9. Number 9. Looking for 10. 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, children. Good job.